Think your smartphone are the peak of tech? Give it 2 years, Ray. It's already on its way out.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, stop scrolling, hit subscribe, and join the future crew, because today we're diving into a question that's shaking up the entire tech world. What will replace smartphones by 2026? That little device in your pocket? Yeah, it changed everything, but in just a few years it might be history. We're talking about tech so advanced it won't just replace your phone, it'll replace the entire way you interact with the digital world. Rehook. Smartphones aren't evolving anymore. They're disappearing. Let us kick this off with what's leading the charge: smart glasses and AR vision. Companies like Apple, Samsung, and Meta are pouring billions into glasses that overlay digital info directly into your world. No screen, no hands. Just data floating right where you look. By 2026, you won't be staring at a phone. You'll be looking through it. Your messages will appear in mid-air. Your maps will guide you on the street. Your entire digital life right in front of your eyes, literally. Imagine looking at a restaurant and instantly seeing reviews, prices, or a friend's recommendation pop up. That's not sci-fi anymore. That's augmented reality. Rehook. Why hold your screen when you can live inside it? Now let's talk AI earbuds, the invisible assistants. By 2026, your earbuds won't just play music, they'll think with you. They'll translate languages in real time, predict what you need before you say it, and even whisper directions in your ear like your personal co-pilot. These tiny devices connect directly to cloud AI, understanding tone, context, and emotion. Imagine walking down a foreign street asking, "Where's the nearest coffee shop?" You don't even need to open an app. Your whispers, 2 blocks left, great espresso, 4.7 stars. It's hands-free, screen-free, completely seamless. Rehook. The smartest device you will own, 1 TB in your pocket, it'll be in your ear. Next up, smart rings and wristbands. Tiny, discreet, and insanely powerful. These wearables track your health, control devices, and can project mini holograms right on your palm. Need to answer a call. Tap your ring. Need to pay. Flick your wrist. Need to project your screen? Open your hand. They'll sync with your neural signals, understanding gestures before you make them. It's instant interaction, no lag, no delay. And because they're powered by body heat and motion, charging them, practically unnecessary. Rehook. Why carry your phone when your hand is your screen? Now this one's wild. Neural interfaces. Yeah, we're talking about mind control tech. By 2026, we're going to see the first consumer-grade brainwave interfaces, devices that literally let you control digital systems. Just by typing a message, you'll just think the words. Want to call someone? One mental command, and it's done. You won't be looking down anymore. Your brain will be the interface. Companies like Neuralink and Meta Reality Labs are already testing this tech, and it's getting scary good. It's not science fiction anymore. Rehook. The next touchscreen is your mind. Let's not forget holographic projection devices. They're portable, pocket-sized, and by 2026, they'll make flat screens feel ancient. Imagine placing a small device on a table and boom, a 3D display pops up in the air. You can swipe, tap, and interact with it like a physical object. No screen, no glare, no broken glass, just pure interactive light. Even meetings, gaming, and video calls will be projected into your space. You'll talk to people, not at screens. Rehook. In 2026, the only thing flat will be your nostalgia for old phones. Now picture this, smart contact lenses. Yeah, that's right. You blink and your world changes. These lenses display notifications, health stats, and directions directly on your retina. No need for glasses, watches, or phones. Everything's built into your eyes. Samsung and Mojo Vision are already working on this tech. By 2026, we might be wearing our screens instead of holding them. Rehook. The future's not in your hand. It's in your eyes. Here's another game changer: voice-first AI ecosystems. We're already seeing Alexa and Google evolve, but by 2026, they'll merge into full-blown life managers. They'll control your environment, schedule, shopping, and even conversations, all through voice. You'll just talk to your house, your car, your city, and it'll respond. Your home knows when you're tired, adjusts the lights, and starts your playlist before you even ask. Rehook, you won't talk to devices, you'll talk through them. And yeah, foldable and rollable devices aren't done yet. They re-evolving into something hybrid, wearable displays that wrap around your arm or fold into your clothes, screens that unroll like paper but act like computers. You could pull out a scroll-sized display, use it, and tuck it back into your sleeve. It's the bridge between old phones and full holographic tech, the last chapter before the screenless revolution. Rehook, the future of phones isn't gone, it's shape-shifting. So what does this all mean? By 2026, the smartphone won't die, but it'll transform. It'll split into a dozen smaller, smarter pieces: glasses, rings, lenses, AI, holograms. Each one doing what your phone does now, but faster, cleaner, and more human. We're entering an age where technology disappears, not because it's gone, but because it's everywhere. Invisible, integrated, alive. Rehook. The future doesn't fit in your pocket, it fits in your life. So tell me, what do you think will replace smartphones first? The glasses? The neural link? Or maybe those insane contact lenses? Drop your thoughts below, and don't forget, hit subscribe so you don't miss what's coming next. Because when the phone era ends, a whole new world begins. Rehook. 2026 isn't killing smartphones, it's creating something smarter.